Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Rishabh from Ascending Techie, and today we are going to talk about Lineage OS 18.0 for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 based on Android 11. So let's start with installation. Head on to their XDA page and download their ROM along with the Nick App's stock version that they recommend. It's working perfectly fine for me. Make sure you clean flash the OS for the first time and then the GApps without restarting. Once you're done, you can set up your device and also restore your previous backups from Google accounts. Once all your apps have downloaded and you're ready to go in and start customizing stuff, there comes the first letdown of this ROM. It has no customizations available right now. So the only settings you can possibly change are the Android settings. This is something that they can add in the future, but the annoying part is that I can't even add the battery percentage to the status bar, so I have to swipe the notification shade to check the remaining battery every time. Moving on, we have the Pixel launcher which comes with the GApps, and if you want to try a new launcher, check out my video on the block ratio minimal launcher. They have fixed a majority of the issues that I mentioned in that video and have also added Vicons as an icon pack. So let's talk about root. If you need root for some reason, you'll have to use Magisk Canary, but I haven't installed it yet since safety net tests pass easily and I'm able to use GPay, Paytm and BOB M banking app out of the box. Face unlock is missing, so all you have is PIN, password or fingerprint. Also, the speakers do get pretty loud as well.
Yeah! You're the man!
It's like a dark horse.
Card where the card comes up really high down here. So, because it was pushing against this part, the mount wasn't that good up towards this top half. And so Vince caught.
Let's talk about RAM management. So until now, I have tried out Android 11 ports, AOSP, as well as a few ROMs. ColtOS being the one which I was daily driving until now. So trust me when I say this ROM has the best RAM management out of any of them. Similarly, gaming performance is right on par with the best ROMs and it doesn't drain out your battery. Speaking of battery, let's talk about charging first. Fast charging is available and working great on this ROM. It took only 30 minutes for the phone to charge the 5000 mAh battery from 18% to 41%. And remember that this is at least a 3-year-old battery. For the total, it took 2.5 hours to charge it to full. I got a 6 hour and 43 minute screen on time with 13% battery still left, and I'm expecting it to increase by at least an hour once the battery is calibrated to my usage. So in conclusion, even though there is no face lock and I can't see the battery left easily, I have switched to this ROM since it's charging faster and lasting better than ColtOS out of the box for me, along with great RAM management. One last thing, which I'm unsure if any of you have faced or not, but this is the only ROM on Android 11 which I could get WhatsApp Web to work on. It just hasn't worked for me on any other Android 11 port, ROM or even AOSP yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be kind to everyone.